Alright, there's your plane for the day. So we just got unloaded. Alright, while we're waiting here to get loaded, we're picking up flat steel, and that's the machine that takes the coils. You can see the big coil right there. Takes the coil, unwinds it, cuts it into whatever length they want, and then they stack it up. But yeah, I've been watching them. When they started, that was a big coil, that one that's spinning around, and it's slowly gone down. But we're just waiting for them to load the truck. So, but I thought it was pretty cool. Talk to you in a bit. right, it's the end of the day. We are over here in Effingham, Illinois, at the petrol truck stop. We are paid for parking. I don't know if you guys can see much, but I'll spin you around. That's the fuel aisle right there. And I don't know if you can see the sign, but it's been a long day. Well, it was a long Monday. It didn't take long to get loaded. We were in and out of there within about, I'm trying to see, there you go. I'm trying to see if the camera's right. We were in and out of there about 2 hours, which went pretty good. We're heavy. We got, I went in there, the order called for 47,000, and that's the maximum I can carry. And when I went to check in, the guy goes, it's gonna be about 47.9. And I was like, man, I can't carry 47.9. So they had to cut it down. That took a little while to figure it out, to take a bundle off. But so we're at 46.3 is what we have on the trailer. We're gonna deliver. We've got about a half an hour down to deliver this tomorrow, and then run down to where are we going? I don't know. We'll figure it out. From where we deliver to where we load's about an hour, if that makes sense. And then tomorrow, I don't know. Yesterday turned into a really long day. We didn't get done till 10:30, or done driving till 10:30 last night. Got held up 6 hours at the customer. I won't be hauling that plastic pipe for a while. So I was pretty annoyed at the whole situation. But anyway, there's my wife. I'll call it quits for the day. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.